Bay windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Dallas who want to add elegance, natural light, and extra space to their homes. These distinctive windows not only enhance your home's aesthetic appeal but also provide numerous functional benefits, including improved ventilation, better views, and increased home value. If you're considering installing bay windows in your Dallas home, there are several important factors to keep in mind to ensure that you make the best decision for your space. In this article, we'll walk you through what you need to know before installing bay windows in your Dallas home, from design considerations to installation and maintenance tips. What are bay windows? Bay windows are a unique architectural feature that protrude from the main walls of a home, creating a small, extended space on the interior. Typically, a bay window consists of 3 sections: a large central window with 2 smaller windows on either side, angled at a 30, 45, or 90-degree angle. This design creates a bay, or nook inside the room, offering expansive views of the outside. Bay windows can be installed in living rooms, dining rooms, bedrooms, and even kitchens, adding an element of charm and sophistication to any room. Benefits of installing bay windows in Dallas. Bay windows are not just visually striking. They offer several practical advantages that make them an excellent addition to any Dallas home. Increased natural light. One of the key benefits of bay windows is their ability to flood your room with natural light. Since the windows extend outward, they capture sunlight from multiple angles, brightening up your space. This can make your home feel more open and inviting, especially in areas that might otherwise feel dark or cramped. Enhanced views. Bay windows provide expansive views of your outdoor surroundings. Whether you're overlooking your front yard, garden, or the Dallas skyline, bay windows can significantly improve the scenery from within your home. These windows are perfect for areas where you want to enjoy a panoramic view without feeling restricted. Additional interior space. The protruding design of bay windows creates a small nook inside your home. This additional space can be used in various ways, such as for a cozy reading corner, a window seat, or even additional storage space. This added area can make a room feel more spacious and functional. Increased home value. Installing bay windows can enhance your home's curb appeal and marketability. Bay windows are a highly desirable feature for prospective buyers, as they add both beauty and functionality. If you're looking to sell your home in the future, bay windows can be a great investment that boosts your property value. Design consideration. Before you install bay windows in your Dallas home, it's important to consider a few design factors to ensure that they complement your home's architecture and functionality. Window style. Bay windows can be customized with various types of windows, including casement windows, double-hung windows, or picture windows for the central section. Your choice of window style will impact how the windows operate and how much light they allow into the room. Room function. Consider how the bay window will be used in the room. Do you want it to serve as a reading nook, a place for plants, or simply as a design feature? The way you intend to use the space will affect how you position the bay window and what features to include. Materials and finishes. Bay windows come in a variety of materials, including vinyl, wood, and fiberglass. Each material has its pros and cons. For example, wooden bay windows offer a classic, traditional look, while vinyl windows are more energy efficient and require less maintenance. Choose the material that aligns with your aesthetic preferences, budget, and long-term maintenance needs. Installation process. While bay windows can be a beautiful and functional addition to your home, professional installation is crucial for ensuring that they are properly fitted, sealed, and aligned. Incorrect installation can lead to issues like air leaks, moisture intrusion, and structural instability. Here's what you can expect during the installation process. Structural modifications. Since bay windows protrude outward, they often require modifications to the wall structure, which could involve cutting and framing the opening. It's essential to work with a qualified contractor who can ensure that the installation meets local building codes and does not compromise the structural integrity of your home. Window support. Bay windows need adequate support to prevent sagging or shifting over time. Your contractor will install a support system for the window, often involving the use of brackets or beams to carry the weight. Weatherproofing. Proper sealing and weatherproofing are essential to prevent drafts, water damage, and energy loss. A professional installation team will use high-quality caulking, weather stripping, and insulation to keep the window airtight. Maintenance tips for bay windows. Bay windows are low maintenance, but they do require some care to keep them looking and performing their best. Cleaning. Regularly clean the glass and frames of your bay windows to prevent dirt, grime, and moisture buildup. Use a soft cloth or microfiber towel and a mild cleaning solution to avoid scratching the glass. Inspect seals and caulking. Check the seals and caulking around the window for any signs of wear or cracking. If you notice any gaps, it's important to reseal them to prevent drafts or moisture from getting in. Trim the surrounding area. If your bay window includes a small bay seat or interior nook, ensure that it is clear of any clutter or debris to maintain the space's functionality. Conclusion. Are bay windows worth the investment in Dallas? Bay windows offer numerous benefits for homeowners in Dallas, from increased natural light and enhanced views to additional space and higher home value. While the installation process requires professional expertise, the end result is a stunning and functional addition to your home that can be enjoyed for years. If you're looking to brighten up a room, add a unique architectural feature, or increase your property's appeal, installing bay windows is a fantastic investment. With proper planning, installation, and maintenance, bay windows can transform your Dallas home into a more comfortable, beautiful, and valuable space.